Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and Apple moving higher here in extended trading after reporting fourth quarter sales and profit that beat analysts' estimates. This after consumers snapping up the iPhones, the iPods, and also those Mac PCs during the back-to-school shopping season. And you can see the stock moving higher. There was actually a lot of concern that maybe the economic slowdown would stifle demand for a lot of these Apple products, but it looks like sales and profit topping analysts' estimates in each of the previous 3 quarters. The company, of course, started selling the iPhone 3GS in June, and that really spurred a lot more orders, the stock rising almost 7%. Apple saying first quarter profit will be $1.70 to $1.78. And remember, this is typically Apple's biggest quarter because of the holiday season, of course, the one that we're in now. Texas Instruments forecasting fourth quarter profit and sales that topped analysts' estimates, indicating demand for electronic components is recovering here. Earnings, they say, will be 42 to 50 cents a share this quarter, and analysts predicted profit of 40 cents, so that they are doing much better than what analysts had expected. And you can see that the stock is gaining almost 4% in extended trading. Remember, this is very similar to what we heard last week from Intel and other semiconductor companies like AMD, because they also posted forecasts that indicated that demand is returning to levels, kind of pre-recession levels. And so one of the things that certainly helped out Intel last week and helping out the markets, and you can see here in extended trading also helping out Texas Instruments. Now, as for today's session, stocks rising to a one-year high once again on better than expected earnings, and many people once again jumping on the bandwagon that the economy, maybe it's healthy enough that the federal government can start unwinding some of those programs that have been propping up the financial system. The consumer discretionary stocks doing quite well. Gannett jumping after their earnings beat estimates. Also in the consumer discretionary area, you can see Nordstrom up 4%. Barclays increasing the share price estimate on Nordstrom to $40 from $25, and saying that earnings will continue to improve for the rest of the year because of recovering sales and lower inventories. And Caterpillar, biggest gainer in the Dow today, rising after RBC Capital Markets rated an outperform in new coverage on that stock, citing the company's cost-cutting initiatives. That's it from here, Pim. Now back to you in the studio.